Hi everyone. In this video, we'll see the withColumn method in PySpark DataFrame. So let's run this here. And I'm still using the same DataFrame here. So let's see the DataFrame first. So this is our DataFrame. So now with what is withColumn? So withColumn method is used to add a new column in the existing DataFrame itself. And if we look into the official documentation, the expression is very easy. We have to give the data frame, then we have to use with column, then we have to provide the column name and then expression for the new column. Even you can see column name should be string or name of the new column and a column expression for the new column. And when we do this, it will replace the new or it will return a new data frame with new column or replacing the like existing column. So even we will have an example of this here. So how we can create a new column itself. So let's look into the code. So if I will say df dot with column, and now we have to provide a column name. So for example, let's say we are creating a new column named country, and now we want that new column will have the country name. So like kind of just one single value in all the rows. So here we have to use lead. So what lead does, if I will open the bracket, you can see create a PySpark.SQL.column of literal value. So actually what lead does, it's in a new column, it will provide a literal value, or we can say it's provide a single value. So here we want a new country column which will be having India as a country name in all the rows, and let's call it df1, and let's do the display df1. See, now we have the new column with country name, and in all the rows we have the name India. So this is how we can create or add a new column using with column method. In the same way, if we let's create a new data frame, and if I want a new column, let's say salary or new salary, let's call it new salary. And if I want the salary should be increased by like just say 20%, so first I have to use column object, and I will say salary. Now I want, obviously if it is getting increased by 20%, so I have to multiply it to 1.2. Then if I will say display df2, see now we have the new column with each value is like each row value is multiplied with 1.2. So this is how we can include new expressions over there. We can add a new column, so either we can just create a column with static values, or we can modify the columns with the conditional logic itself. And even if I want to do something like this, I just want to add 500, I will say 500. It will just create a new column with 500 added to all the rows. So this is how we can create a new column using with column. Either we can do the static, we can create a static column which will have a one single value in all the rows, or we can use the expressions. So whatever expressions are available in the PySpark, there are a lot of different expressions. Like we have like when, so we can create a conditional column also based on the whatever condition we want. So wherever we have to create a new column, we have to use with column. We have to give the column name, then we have to give the expression. And there is another thing. If what will happen, let's check this. So now, as of now, we have created a new salary column. But what will happen if I will use the same name? If I will use the same name. So here we have the salary. I am using the same name. Let's see what will happen. So see what is happening. If we are using the same name, what it will do, it will replace the existing column itself. So either we have to give a new name. If we are not giving the new name, it will replace the existing column itself based on the expression. So this is how we can add the new columns using with column. But what will happen if we have to add multiple columns? So let's do the display df once. Let's take an example. If I want to add, let's say df3, if I want to add multiple columns. So what I will do, I will first do with column, and then I will provide the column name. Let's say the same example, salary, let's say hike. Okay, and if I want just point 2, and now if I will do again with column, and now I want let's say new salary, and we have to use the column and salary, and let's multiply it 1.2. So we have to chain it. So we are creating a chain here. So in the first we are saying with column, and the this column will be salary hike of like whatever is the salary hike. Then again we are creating a new column with new salary, where we are multiplying the salary column with 20% increase. So this is how we can create multiple new columns. So now you will see we have this multiple columns, but it will, like if we want to create like 10 columns, 20 columns, it will take a lot of time. So in PySpark we have another way, so which is called with columns. So by using with columns, we can create a dictionary, and we can map up, like create multiple columns while mapping in the dictionary itself. So here even in the example we can say, okay, so this example with columns, and what we are doing, we are providing the new name and we are providing the expression in the dictionary itself. So let's try here. If I will say df4, and I want df with, this time we will be using with columns, and here we are providing a dictionary. So let's say this is a dictionary, and under this dictionary what we are doing, we have to first provide column, new column name. So let's say, let's take the same example, salary hike, and then what will be the expression for that? We just want point to be appeared over there. Now the next another column will be new salary, and here we want salary column to be multiplied with 20% hike. So this is how they are doing here. In the same way we are doing over there also. So now if I will check display df4, okay, it's saying salary is not defined. Mm, let's check it here. I think we have to run this again. Let's check this. Name should be correct. Salary hike, we are saying just point to value in all the rows. Yeah, I think this should work. Name salary is not defined. Hmm. Let's check the data frame here itself. Yeah, okay, my bad. Actually, we have to provide here this as a string. That's why it was giving error. See, so this is how we can create multiple columns by using dot with columns method. And if you want to just create a single column, we can just use the with column. But if you want to create multiple columns, either we can create a chain like this, like dot with column. But this will take a lot of time, and we have a better way of just using with columns and providing a dictionary itself, and we will be able to create multiple columns at one go itself. Thanks for watching.